Hello, this is Florida Plant Mama coming to you from Zone 10A, Central Florida. Still in the garden, and this time we're going to try and harvest these sweet potatoes finally. This is sweet potato bed number 1, and that's the basket that I've brought out to collect the sweet potatoes. I think that's actually pretty ambitious. Let me get the camera set up so we can start pulling some vines and seeing what we got in there. So this is the bed with the non-special, regular run-of-the-mill at your grocery store sweet potatoes. I'm just going to start pulling vine and see what happens. That sweet potato traverses along the bed as well. So I may have to scavenge back there and see if anything's growing out in those spaces. Okay, look at that. We got one. And look, it's got some bug damage. I left it in for quite some time, so I'll just put the ones that are damaged aside. I'm just gonna pull out the vines first and then dig in the pot. They're usually located at the ends of the vine. Got a little one here. Little one here. And what I'll do is I'll take these vines and I'll make slips out of them. This is just pitiful. That's supposed to be a sweet potato. Oh, more little squiggly things here. All right. Let's see what we got now that these are pulled out. Ugh, it's mushy. I'll put that back in. I knew I left them in a little too long. I mean, sweet potatoes can grow year-round in Florida, but everyone tends to harvest them right around November. And it is now almost the middle of December. And if you leave them in too long, you run the risk of having them rot in the ground. Or, especially if you have them in like these raised containers, or having excess bug damage. It's kind of fun searching for them. So far I only got puny ones, but like I said, I'm not expecting a whole lot, considering this bed was kind of in a bit of a shaded area, and it just had really leftover slips. And oh, it's a piece of wood, and old dirt that I kind of just emptied used bags from. So I got little particles of sticks. I think I'm going to use my shovel very gingerly. I don't want to break anything, but I need to the mycelium. So stuff is happening in here. And this bin here is a big bin. I think it is 27 gallons, maybe more. I really don't feel like tipping this thing over, so we just gonna dig in here. But I don't see anything else, guys. I think we just have our little meager sweet potato yield from in here. Just these little ditzy things. I don't think they're lower in there. All right, I'm gonna keep digging in here and see if I find anything. So, didn't get much from that. I just went ahead and put the vines back in this bin. They will reroot over time. So we'll put them back there. This is the yield from that pot. I got a couple vines down here. I want to see if they've done anything. This is just planted in the ground. This is probably better than what I got in the container. The vine was just allowed to travel along the ground, and this is what's happened. I think, oh, that's the best sweet potato I've gotten yet. Look at that thing. It's massive. compared to the one that I babied in the pot. This is just sitting in the dirt. I guess that's how they like it. Let's see. Got some more vines here. Pull those. I got vines going all the way up this trellis too. I tried to stop them from doing that, but apparently I didn't do a very good job. Get those all back in there. All right, on to the next bin. This bin has probably had the most sun, so I'm hoping it fares better than the last bin. Let us see. Oh, it looks like I got some Meyer lemons ready too. Yep. That's a nice surprise. Very nice surprise. 3 Meyer lemons. Oh, get all these vines up. I just pull the vines and then see what I find. Oh, already much better than the last bin. Two potatoes in. These are the purple potatoes. Already much better than the last one. And these are not rotted. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, friends. I'm already going to say that this batch is a success. So I haven't pulled out one rotten one yet. We'll see. Let me set you down so I can dig some more. It's like digging for treasure. All right, let's try the other side. I still do have the tag for this one. This is, oh, does it say? I think the variety got eaten off. Well, I'll have to go back to the last footage to find out exactly which potato this was. Another nice one. Okay, final sweet potato bed. Here we go. At the tag. Ah, these are the Beauregards for sure. Oh no, nothing came attached to these stems, so. Look, they're all in this bush. You guys are supposed to be climbing and winding in the dirt. Giving me some more sweet potatoes. Okay. Oh, I hope we have some Beauregards. I really want some Beauregards. Okay, all right. What do we got? What do we got? Wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Ooh. Yes. Okay, what else? What else? It's kind of moist in here. Okay. Oh, I don't want to break them. These look long and skinny. Another one. Little dinky ones. I don't know what that is. These are the ones I'm gonna put back in the bin when I'm done. All right, I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me dig out all of this nice worm. Did you guys see that there's some hammerhead worms that are toxic that you've got to be careful for? They're like a invasive species, so I would definitely recommend wearing gloves while you're out in the yard, because these hammerhead worms apparently have a toxin that can harm you and your pets. So wear gloves. No, we like our hands to be in the soil, but if we're going in like native soil, considering in Florida anyway that this thing is around, it's a good idea to protect yourselves. So I'm just gonna keep digging, and then I'll let you know what else I harvest. The bins have been put to rest. I will top them off with fresh compost, and we'll try again for spring. All right, folks, that's all for today. I did a lot more today than I have done in weeks, and I'm so glad that I was able to take you along for all of it. This is my harvest for the day. Look, not bad, right? I wasn't expecting to get anything, so this is quite the accomplishment. Next year, we're gonna do better though, okay? We're gonna get these things in early spring, and we're gonna hope for a less scorching summer, a milder fall, and a bigger harvest. But I will take what I got. Oh, by the way, do you guys like my DIY Christmas fingernails? Can't really see them with all the dirt, but that's them. I did them myself. Anyway, back to the harvest. Look at that. I think that's pretty good. Not only did I get the potatoes, but I harvested some Soshitos, and I harvested 3 beautiful Meyer lemons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and if I don't film another video before the holidays, have wonderful, blessed, safe holidays, folks, okay? Thanks, bye.